Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Coal City, local and long distance movers near me. Our movers will make sure you get the options you need for your long distance move, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. The right moving company will make a big difference when you relocate. Our team will give you the best options for your move, whether you want a full service move or a basic move. We save you time and make everything so much easier on moving day. Even a shorter local move is a big job. Hiring an Illinois moving company can help you avoid the heavy lifting and save you a ton of money. When you choose a good local moving company, you want to find friends or family to help you with lifting furniture or other items. Instead, you save time and energy with your move. 3 Movers makes it simple to move locally. We give you the right options to make your move more convenient. Our team can take care of even the largest move in just one day or less. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Coal City moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.